All right, so here we are here. It says create a video using exactly this script. Now, I could say create a YouTube video. I could say create a TikTok video. I could say create an Instagram video. And in this instance, it's a YouTube video. And what we then do, like I said, is you put your script in here. So as you can see, it takes it all, and now you are ready to make that magic happen. Now, the beauty of this is how you could customize it, because if you go to the older versions, you could customize it, but the version 3 gives you different ways to customize, more options. And so we'll look at that here. Look at the background music. You can add that here by just simply pressing the plus sign. Make the background music fast and energetic, or you could change it however you want. You can also choose a language. Do you want English? Do you want any other language? And look at that. Beautifully set out for you to pick as many languages as possible as long as it's in there. Now, subtitles. You want subtitles? You can. But look at that. You can add subtitles in different ways. So add bold subtitles with no outline, add clean subtitles with outline, add karaoke style subtitles. So you know, I was saying that even if you're doing music, like look at this, you have so many things. Add the comic subtitle, add subtitles with comic font and the shake effect. So you have all these options there for you to make your video awesome. And now voice actors, you can use any here. So look, you can use a female and you can use your voice as long as your voice is in there. In this instance, I have put my voice in here. So if I wanted to use it, I would use my voice. But look at all the options that I have also. The next one is any voice. Now, in this instance, when it's saying any voice, it's talking about what type of accent, where they're from. And as you can see, clear American voice, voice with a Southern accent, American young kids voice, Indian English voice. Look at all that. French voice, Dutch voice, Polish voice, all these voices that you have in here that you can use. And so you could simply select any. So we'll just say clear American voice here, and we will just say use a female. Now for the narrator, you have the option also to pick different narrators, speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, 4, 5, and you get that option too. So next thing is the watermark text. Use watermark text or not. You have the opportunity to put it in there or not. And then stock. This is really important because depending on what you pick here, you might be spending a lot of money. So the good thing is InVideo, when it started, was mostly stock media, clips that you could go and use. But now that you could generate animated clips, you have that option here. So you can see only generated clips, only generated images, and only stock media. In this instance, we're doing only stock media. The beauty of this too is depending on the plan that you pick, you have a certain amount of stock footage allocated to you. And the premium ones are called iStock, as you can see here. So if you wanted to use premium, you would only say use iStock, right? If you wanted to use fewer iStock to be able to save some money, you would say use fewer iStock. If you wanted to just do it on its own, you could say use iStock as needed. And the beauty is all this can still be edited. All this can still be changed. That's what's cool. And then your music preference, use the best audio available. You could use YouTube Audio's library, or you could use Storyblocks audio only. And typically when this happens, you will see the license if you upload it on YouTube. And once you're done with that, you click continue once you're fine with the script, and then you click generate video. Now, once you pick generate video, it starts to generate the video in the background. It takes a couple minutes, and then you can go and see it once it's done and start to make your edits. And this is what we have here. Now, if I play this, you can hear the voice.
Did you know that video marketing is now one of the fastest growing segments in the digital space? Video content already accounts for the majority of internet traffic worldwide, and by 2025, it's projected to make up over 82% of all consumer online traffic. Why? Because videos capture attention, inspire action, and deliver messages like no other medium can.
Look at that. And now I can then go and make my edits, which is what I wanted to show you. And how do you do that? Once again, you go to the edit button right here. You click edit. And this is where you could start to really customize this video to make it right for you.